Recipe 7.
Wow.
Hi. No, I'm not gonna say hi. Okay. I'm Maddie, the senior brand manager here at Haven's Kitchen. One of our favorite recipes to make in the air fryer is this stuffed chicken. I love this recipe because it includes feta cheese, which is one of my favorite briny, salty additions to any recipe. So I'm gonna pound this chicken, then I'm gonna butterfly it and fill it with my mixture of feta cheese, tomato paste, edamame green goddess, and a little bit of garlic. Because I'm lucky enough to work at Haven's Kitchen, I can always grab our sauce in our fridge. However, we do have an online store where you can order our sauces directly to your home. You're welcome, Dad. Of course, we have my air fryer here today. Just a reminder that cooking times and temps will vary depending on what brand you're using. If you're using an air fryer that requires to be preheated, go ahead and do that now and set the temperature to 360 degrees. And before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on any future notifications. Reminder here, when you're working with raw chicken, you want to use a plastic cutting board so you can really, clean it off nicely after you're done. So we're gonna get started by pounding our chicken so it's more of an even layer for our breasts. I'm gonna take my chicken, put them on the plastic cutting board, cover with my parchment paper, and then I'm gonna pound them with my little bat or rolling pin. Neil?
Yes.
Do I just
Yeah.
Still got a long way to go. All right, so my chicken is now pounded in sort of one even layer, which is going to guarantee even cooking time. I'm gonna toss this and wash my hands. If your chicken is still too thick, feel free to also butterfly them. I've pounded mine enough so they're really nice and thin, so I'm going to forgo the butterflying. So now we're gonna make our stuffing mixture, which, like I said, is the tomato paste, the feta, the garlic, and then our edamame green goddess sauce. Right, in goes the feta cheese, tomato paste, garlic. I'm using about half of a pouch here. So we're just gonna break up the feta cheese, break up the tomato paste, and really make sure everything is covered with our delicious sauce. So we want the smoother side on the outside, so I'm just gonna flip these really quick, and we can start filling our chicken. So now I'm going to just fold over my chicken, lock in place with some toothpicks. So the last thing I'm gonna do here is just brush my chicken with a little bit of olive oil and salt. If I can get this open. There we go. All right. The air fryer is back. Spray with some Pam or whatever cooking spray that you have at home. Oop. Sorry. Then we're just gonna get these bad boys in here. So we're gonna pop this in the air fryer for about 18 to 23 minutes, very specific, at 360. Start. So I'm a big culprit of the lazy girl lunch. I hate cooking in the middle of the day, but I need to eat, right? And something I love to make when I'm working from home is a salad. I'm a big salad girl. So I'm just gonna do a quick dressing in this container from our friends at Bowery Farming, a little bit of lemon juice, olive oil, our Green Goddess sauce. Emphasis on the lazy because I have made no effort to grab a glass bowl. Nothing like that. I'm saving myself a little bit of cleanup by using this container. Okay, like that's perfectly dressed. It took me 2 seconds and my chicken's gonna be done. I'll be able to slice that, have it on a bed of beautiful baby romaine. So it's been about 15 minutes that I've had my chicken in the air fryer. I'm just gonna check, oh my gosh, it's looking very good. Okay, it's done. I cannot wait to try this. So here goes nothing. So good. Super juicy. The feta, the tomato paste, of course the Green Goddess, everything is just melded together really, really well. All right, YouTube fan, these emails don't schedule themselves, so I gotta get back to work, but drop comments below if you make this recipe or have any questions. See you next time.